My name is Blake Matlock, and I'm doing the qualitative anion test. This is lab number 4, and I have all of my stuff right here. Kind of already started, done a few things. What I need to have is my qualitative anion test bag, and I've got to have my goggles. Those are always beneficial. Then I have, and in that bag is the sulfate, phosphate, chloride, carbonate, and bromide. Okay. I also have several different solutions right here. We have one that is unknown. We have the hydrochloric acid, the organic reagent, the silver nitrate, and then up here I have ammonia, ammonium, nitric acid, and barium chloride. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put my goggles on. I've already kind of started and done a few things, but we'll just roll with it. Oops. Okay, I have my test tubes, my well plate, everything right here. I have my distilled water right here in this solo cup. And then I have already pre-measured my 5 milliliters of Clorox into my graduated cylinder. So that the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 5 milliliters of bleach. Right, so right there, you see. And then the next thing I'm going to do is get my 1 milliliter of water. And there we go. Alright. So, whoops, there's that. Okay. Now, in the first test tube, I'm going to put 8 drops of the anion in one of the small test tubes, and that is what I used. Where did the bromide go? The bromide as well as the organic reagent, and that's going to make this a color like so. I put 8 drops of this in here, and then I put 2 to 3 drops of this in here as well, and got that. The second one I have not done yet, but we're going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to add 8 drops of the anion solution. There you go. Okay. Whoops, wrong one. Pick this up. We're going to put 8 drops of it in here. That's 8. Then I'm going to take and put 3 drops of the silver nitrate. Right, which is the deal right here. So once we get that, we're going to take and put 4 drops. Alright. Put that baby down. And I don't know if you can see it, but nothing's really happening with that. So what we're going to do next is we're going to move on to the next step before we write the equation and everything like that. So that is actually pretty much all I'm going to do. I will be back later on with the rest of my results for the rest of lab number 4, anion or qualitative anion tests.